Okay, so good day, BS Math. So last time we have end up here. So as you can see, base sa initial condition. Sa base sa initial condition of this one, wait, saan ba? Tagal mo na. Ito, y of 1, so yung x mo is equal to 1. So that is included. Saan ba yung nanggaling yung initial condition? Dito. Dito siya sa loob kasi dito yung 1. So therefore, the maximum interval of validity is from negative square root of 28 over 3 to 28 over 3. So let's proceed on number second example. So ito. So given this one, dy over dx is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 divided by 2y minus 4 with the initial condition as x is equal to 1, we have a 3. So after this one, we will regroup or separate corresponding to its variable. So dy so this dy together with this 2y minus 4, so you can just use dito cross multiply, diba? So then you will end up dito this one and this one, then integrate both sides in terms of y. So we will have here y squared minus 4y, and that is equal to this one. So the integral of this x cubed plus ito 2x minus 4x plus c. Then next is apply the initial condition to find the value of c. So y of 1 is equal to 3. Then we have this. Ito yung initial condition. So 3. This must be, yeah, okay, tama. 3 squared minus 4, 3. Substitute lang natin dito. So yung y 3. Yan. So 3 squared minus 4 times 3 is equal to ito, and the whole thing nangyari dito. Okay, for the whole thing, this one ito magiging 9, ito 12, ito that is 1 plus 4 minus 4. So we will end up here on, yan, wait lang, 1 plus 4 nangyari dito. C is equal to negative 2 nangyari. 1, this one is 4 minus 4 plus C. Okay, this one is 4 ba talaga yung nilagay dito? Okay, 2 mali. Okay, this one, so dito dapat 2 to. So, ang 2. Yan. Okay na. So, this will become 3 minus 4. This one negative 1. Tapos dito, magiging negative 3 sa ilo. Then, we have negative 2. Okay. So, C is equal to negative 2. Then, substitute this one on this solution kanina. Dito. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, this will become negative 2. Ito na siya. Then, by addition property of equality, xylem ni, the whole part here, then this one is equal to 0. And as you can see, y squared minus 4y minus this one, it follows the quadratic formula in terms of y, quadratic formula. So it's a quadratic function in terms of y. So using the quadratic formula, we need to solve the value of y. So for a is equal to 1, for b is negative 4, and c is the whole thing. And then we have this one. Okay, 1 of x and so on. And you will end up dito. Y of x 2 plus square root 2 plus minus square root and so on. So take note that we have two solution. So we need only one solution. So apply the initial condition for interval of validity. So we have this one. Take note that our initial condition is for x is equal to 1, we have a 3. So 2 plus minus, so we need to have a 3 na answer. So yung positive na to, we have 3. So therefore, we need to accept yung 3 and then yung negative, since we have a 1. So this one is reject. So this is our positive dapat is solution. So we need first find the validity for interval. So for the square root, dapat dito is must be 0 and positive. Hindi pwede maging negative to. So that we will have a real number. So let this one as your r of x. So your r of x must be positive or 0 to positive or non-negative. Yeah. So as you can see, it has only one real roots and that is ito. So negative 3 point something. So using some mathematical tool, or you can use also Gizmos. No? So we have x is an element of this one, which is included to. So with a solution set, with a solution of beta, y of x and so on. So example 3. Example 3, and again with interval value dito. Since natin singularity na lang itong 3, so 1 dito 1, okay. So the whole thing is from this one and to positive infinity, which is included yung initial condition na 1. So example 3, dy over dx that is equal to xy cubed divided by the square root of 1 plus x squared with the initial condition. As x is equal to 0, we have negative 1. So dito, so you can see dy and ito. And yung other one naman na kailangan natin i-group, ito and ito sila. So we need to just multiply dito and this one. So we will multiply here dx both side and y cube the same dito y cube. So this one cancel and the other one ito. So we will end up in this equation, then integrate both sides. And take note, we can rewrite this one. By integration, we have negative 1/2 y raised to negative 2. And then so we need to use a u substitution with u is equal to 1 plus x squared. And then get the derivative, we have this one 2x dx. Since we need the target of x dx, so divide it 2. And you will end up here 1/2 du divided by u raised to 1/2. Or we can write this one as u raised to negative 1/2 du. And then integrate this one, you will end up here. And then apply the initial condition to find the value of c. And eto. So just substitute everything as x is equal to 0 and y is equal to negative 1. So this one. So then your c is equal to negative 3/2. This one. So after that one, balik mo to sa aton nga main nga solution. This one, your c is negative 3/2 na. Then solve for y of x. So for y of x, we need to eliminate this 1/2. So multiply by negative 2, and you will end up here y squared 1 over y squared and so on. Then by reciprocal, you have here ito, and then therefore this one. And take note again, we have two solution. We only need one, so apply again the initial condition to find out where's the real solution for a possible solution for this y of x. So we have initial condition y of for x is equal to 0 is negative 1. So, by substitution dito, let this one to be negative 1, then plus minus, and so on. And as you can see, if we have negative 1, if your x is equal to this one, positive, you have answer of 1. Pero if you have negative dito, magiging negative 1. So therefore, based sa initial condition, if your x is equal to 1, ayan, dapat yung answer is negative 1. So therefore, accept ito, yung negative, and reject yung positive. And you will end up yan. Wala na yan dapat yung negative dyan. Ito na. Ito na yung solution mo. Then, we need this one not to equal to 0. Ito lang, kasi wala namang variable dyan. So, yung nr square root lang. So, dito, dapat magiging 0 to. So, this one must not equal to 0, I mean. Always positive siya, kasi kung mag-0 to, magiging 0 din to. 3. Pwede siya maging equal to 0. Yeah, pwede right? 0 must be included. So, since 0 is included, and take note, x squared to, that is always positive. So, we'll end up on here. Square this one, you have 9, eto. Then, dito, magiging 4, eto, magiging 1 plus x squared. Then, solve for x squared. And you will end up here. You will end up here. 5 over 4. Or take note, x squared. So, always, whatever the value of x, it will always give you a positive. And we have this one, square root of 5 over divided by 2, which is greater than x. So the inner root, 1 plus x squared. So we have this absolute value. So this is also will be your maximum of the interval of validity, since yung x mo is equal to 0. So between nitong dalawa nito is included. So, example 4, dy over dx is equal to this one, y over x minus 2. For initial condition, 0 is x is equal to y is equal to 1. So dito, so you can see, we need again to separate variables or separable. So yung y na to, dapat kasama si ito, and then dx, ayan. So, yung next natin gagawin dyan is multiply both side by eto, dx over y and dx over y. So, magiging cancel to, cancel, ito and ito. And, matitira na lang is this one and this one, then integrate both side. So, by integrating dy over y, you have ln y. And then, eto, for u is equal to x minus 2, so, u is equal to x minus 2, then du is dx, and then you have this, you will end up here as yung dx mo, eto, it will be du, tapos yung u mo, eto. So yun, du over u is ln u, and your u is this one, so rewrite ln x minus 2. Okay, so you will end up here, then raise both side by e to eliminate the ln. You have y of x, c is equal to x minus 2, and take note that e raised to plus c, we are just multiplying. So apply the initial condition, y sub 0 is equal to 1, no, not y sub 0, I mean y of 0. So 1 is equal to c, and this one, and you have c is equal to negative 1/2. Then this one, rewrite dito, and you will have this y of x is equal to negative 1/2 x minus 2, and then let 0, and then is equal to negative 1/2 is equal to x minus 2. So you have x is equal to 2, which is singularity, and since the initial point is x is equal to 0, but yung 0 is less than 2, so the maximum interval containing it is from negative infinity to 2, kasi dapat included si 0. Hindi na pwede tayo maging 2 to positive infinity. Okay? So, parang idea nito. Ito yung 2. So, we need to target that 0. So, dapat included si 0 as initial condition. Kasi initial condition yan. So, we will end up from here from negative infinity to 0 para included to. Okay, so let's continue on example number 5. For example number 5, you have d theta over dt, and we have is k is equal to cosine theta, and your theta of 0 is equal to 0 for k is greater than 0 or positive. Dt over cosine, so as you can see, we can use naman dito. Ito and ito lang. Tapos, multiply this one to this one. So, we will have here dt over cosine t. So, ito cancel. And ito, this one cancel. And then, you will end up here. Second, take note that second theta is also the, recall that second theta is also 1 cosine theta. It's the reciprocal of second ng 1 over cosine theta. Okay? Integrate this one, you will end up. So this one, second theta, there's a long way on how to solve this one. End up ka dito kay second theta plus tan theta. And that is k over k dt, which is kt plus c. Then take note that if we take the initial condition, the angle to be 0, then you will have here, end up here 1. So ln 1, and then your time is 0, then you have this. So this one is 0, ln 1 is also 0. So c is equal to 0. Then since c is equal to 0, mawawala yan, then kt na lang. Ito na. Hindi ko na ilagay, sorry. So dapat dito is mangyayari dyan is ln second plus tan theta is equal to kt. Yan. Pero both side e, then you will end up dito. Yan. Kakancel kasi itong dalawa. Then, as you can see, no, for all the angle, theta from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, the maximal t interval containing 0 is all t. So therefore, your maximum is from negative infinity to positive infinity, but with the restriction as p of t, theta of t is from negative infinity, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. And last example, d theta over dt is 1 over sine t, and then pi theta of 0 is equal to pi over 2. So dito, you can just use multiply, cross multiplication. So yeah, sine theta d theta is dt. So integrate this one is negative cosine, ito is dt. T na lang, t plus c. Applying the initial condition, ito. So as t is equal to 0, ito na yan, as angle pi over 4. So, pi over 4 is negative square root of 2 over 2 for c. Then, rewrite na lang dito yan, si c. Yan na. Then, we take the p of t. So, we have this one. And then, take note that for the integral of validity, this one is the general solution. The interval of validity, we need this one to be between negative 1 to positive 1 kasi yun lang naman yung kaya ng cosine, whatever the angle. So, we have this one. Kasi yung cosine mo is came from dito sa taas. Yan. So, we rewrite this one. And then, take note by the absolute value, we can rewrite yan dito. Then, multiply by negative 1 para mawala yung ito. Multiply by, add both side by positive t. So, sana, anong nangyari dito? Nawala. Wait. Lagay natin. So, this will become, mag-add ako ng t. So dito is negative 1 plus t less than or equal to square root of 2 over, oops, so t pala yung dapat nasa gitna. Never mind on this one. So mag-a-add pala ako ng eto, yan, and then nag-add na dito, add negative nito, inverse yan, eto, this one, then multiply by negative 1 para maging positive, and then eto yung nangyari, baliktad yan, yan, and then it means yung t mo is from here to here. So baliktarin mo lang. This one must be wait, sorry. This one is negative. Yeah, mas mababa tong part na to kaysa dito. So ito yung magiging mauna, this one. And yung follow dito yung end points. So that is the initial validity. And that will be the end of our discussion on separable.